Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abhi. Today we will discuss another your question number third, which is also related the nationalism in India, which this question you will find on the page number 50 of your NCERT book, you can say history book. So guys, your question is here that imagine you are participating in civil disobedience movement. Explain. Imagine you are a woman participating in the civil disobedience movement. Explain what the experience meant to your life. So guys, आपने ये क्वेश्चन है कि आपको ये तस्वर करना है आप एक औरत के मानिद इस सिविल डिसोबीडियंस जो सिविल नाफरमानी शुरू की थी यहाँ के हिंदुस्तान के लोगों ने ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के ख़िलाफ़ आप मान लो कि आप सिविल नाफरमानी आपने शुरू की है और यू कैन से कि इसकी इमेजिन करो कि आप एक्सप्लेन व्हाट द एक्सपीरियंस मेंट टू योर लाइफ, तो आप अपनी ज़िंदगी से क्या एक्सपीरियंस ले सकते हो. सो गाइज, सिंपली यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है कि मान लो कि आप एक औरत के मानिंद आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया इस सिविल डिसओबीडियंस में और उसके बाद आप क्या एक्सपीरियंस हासिल करते हो. सो बिफोर दिस डिस्कशन आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड यू दैट द प्रीवियस last video I have discussed illustrative with you that civil disobedience, what does the exact meaning of the civil disobedience and why was this held. So guys, the Purn Swaraj resolution was passed the Lahore session of Congress in 1929, presided over by Jawaharlal Nehru. So guys, in which we found that 11 points were put in front of the British government and Gandhiji gave the following direction to the people. So also simply you should be understand that what is the exact meaning of the civil disobedience. So guys, in which we have found that 11 points have put in front of the British government through the Gandhiji, and simply at that time all the Congress party, or you can say all the national people and leader especially, they have asked to British government that we should have a Purn Swaraj. It means complete independence. So guys, the previous last video I have discussed illustratively that what is the exact meaning of the Purn Swaraj. The first nationalist leader who voiced the slogan of Purn Swaraj, complete independence, was Maulana Hasrat Mohani. So the slogan firstly who had given during the period of the struggle for the freedom of our nation, who was Maulana Hasrat Mohani, who have given slogan Purn Swaraj, or you can say complete independence. And but the Congress party thought that it was too early. Jawaharlal Nehru too attempted the same thing in 1927, but Gandhiji acted as a break at Calcutta session December 1928. Both Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru accepted the objective of the domain's status recommended by the Nehru's committee report provided the Jawaharlal British government aid. By the end of the 1929, Subhash was shocked by the Jawaharlal bilateral. So guys, we have found that in civil disobedience that there have been put 11 demands by the Gandhiji, and also who have broken the law of the salt, and also who have put 7 points and who have aware, or you can say direction the people through the 7 points. So come to the point. Here our question is guys that imagine you are a woman. आपको तस्वर करना है कि आप औरत हैं, आपने हिस्सा लिया सिविल डिसओबीडियंस में, जो सिविल नाफरमानी की जो तहरीक शुरू हुई थी, और आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है कि क्या एक्सपीरियंस आपको इस ज़िंदगी से मिला या इस पार्टिसिपेशन से मिला. Imagination of the women participant in the civil disobedience. So first one is, I saw that women were not lagging behind than the men in this movement. They, alike men, can also raise their voice against the system disrupted either at individual or an institutional level. So there will be we don't want any discrimination among the women and the men. So guys, like the like the men, the women also can participate through their voice, or you can say through their voice or through their struggle. So another point is experiment with truth and non-violence is varied and veridically as per topics issues. Law order is truly followed in this mode of action. So guys, we also observed here that if we are a woman and we participating in civil disobedience, we found that rule and regulation should be maintained. Third one is participation is likewise moves and movements inculcates a sense of tolerance, labor, patience, violence and dedication. So we also, if we are a woman, or you can say suppose you are a woman and you are participating in civil disobedience, we should have maintained their the sense of tolerance, labor, patience, valor and dedication towards our movement, towards this our movements, or you can say this our movements. So guys, along with picketing foreign clubs and liquor shops, I would have systematically removed the foreign and alien demands that devil in my heart in the form of anger, jealousy, vanity, obstination, etc. in company of so great guide, father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. So guys, if we are a woman, so here is the question. Imagine you are a woman and you are participating in the civil disobedience, and how much experience you will get through this obedience. I have discussed illustrately few points about this topic. I hope that you understand this topic properly, and this was the question number 3, which you find on page number 50 on your textbook of the 10th class. So guys, we have discussed illustratively this topic, and in the end I heartily request you please subscribe this channel and share these all video with your colleagues, with your friends. Thank you very much.